Ever wondered how to make your own homemade chocolate cups filled with cream or fruit? All you need is some dark or milk chocolate, cupcake liners, heavy whipping cream, powdered sugar, vanilla extract, mixed berries, granulated sugar, lemon juice, and optional garnishes. With these ingredients in hand, you're ready to start creating your own delicious chocolate cups. The first step in making chocolate cups is to melt the chocolate. Choose your preference of dark or milk chocolate and gently melt it using a microwave or a double boiler. Now you're going to coat the cupcake liners. Using a spoon or a pastry brush, paint the inside of each liner with a thin layer of the melted chocolate. Ensure the bottom and sides are well covered. Once done, these go into the freezer for 10 minutes to set. After the initial freeze, it's time for a second layer of chocolate. This step is crucial to make the cups sturdier. Back into the freezer they go for another 10 minutes. After the second freeze, you'll have the perfect chocolate cups ready for the filling. While your chocolate cups are setting, you can prepare the fillings. For the cream filling, beat together heavy cream, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract until you achieve stiff peaks. Remember to keep it refrigerated. For the fruit filling, combine berries, sugar, and lemon juice in a saucepan. Cook this over medium heat, stirring occasionally, until the fruit softens and releases its juices. Mash the fruit slightly and let it simmer until it thickens. Once your fillings are ready, it's time to assemble the chocolate cups. Now comes the fun part, filling and decorating the chocolate cups. Gently peel off the liners and get creative. Spoon or pipe in your chosen filling, be it the silky whipped cream or the tangy fruit compote. Now for the final touch, garnish. A few fresh berries, a sprinkle of chocolate shavings, or a dusting of cocoa powder adds an extra layer of elegance. And there you have it, your homemade chocolate cups filled with cream or fruit. Enjoy your sweet treat.